Hi, I'm Stephen Curry, First Lieutenant at Station 1 on B shift. Here at Roanoke Fire-EMS, firefighters work 24-hour shifts. That means we cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner here right at the firehouse. Most fires start in the kitchen. We want to show you a few tips to keep you and your family safe. First, if you're cooking, stay in the kitchen. Most cooking fires occur when you leave, even if just for a second.
Hey Curry, you watching that?
Exactly. It's as simple as coming back to the stove and turning a burner off. We need to keep at least a 3-foot safety zone around the stove. That means no kids, no pets, nobody reaching over hot pans. This is a quick one. Keep pot and pan handles turned in. It prevents spills and burns. And keep anything that can burn away from the heat. Towels, paper, oven mitts. These little things make a big difference. If you ever have a small stovetop fire, slide a lid over it and turn the heat off. Don't use water on grease fires. Water will spread the flames. If you feel that the fire is getting out of control or more than you can handle, get out of the house immediately and call 911. Smoke alarms give you the earliest warning that something is wrong. Test yours every month and make sure you have alarms on every level of your home, especially near the kitchen. A few last tips we live by. Keep your cooking area clean. Grease can ignite fast. Heat oil slowly. Rushing it is how flare-ups start. Know where your fire extinguisher is and how to use it. In the fire service, we see firsthand how quickly kitchen fires can grow. These small safety habits help protect you, your family, and your home. Together, we can knock down the risk.